YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and I am back with another video for you guys today, man. Now, before we get into this video, just some quick housekeeping things, man. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel. Let's go ahead and hit this 3K mark before the year is over, man. Also, if you want to support and you're already subscribed, I don't ask for money or anything, man. All that I ask is that you take the half a second to go ahead and smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps bring more people to the videos, which can help grow the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead and follow the Instagram at anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first, polls, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff. You would have seen me post about these on my Instagram already. I actually don't know when I'm going to release this video because I got to edit it, and yeah, I'm still pretty busy around here. But without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into it. So I got a sneaker here, man, that I don't know why I was so and am still so excited about this shoe. Right when I first saw it, I was like, yo, I really like these. Like, I like how these look. It's a silhouette that not a lot of people really rock with. But I saw the images of them. I heard the collaboration, and I was like, what? Why? Like, why is this? And I saw the shoe, and I was like, yo, like, I gotta have them. And they came out on Sneakers app, took an L on Sneakers app. Luckily, they weren't reselling for too much on the Go app. And I had a $20 off gift card on the Go app, so I was able to get them for, I think, $15 more than what I would have paid for if I paid retail, which is great. So let's get into it, man. Right here, we have the box, and you guys can see it. It's just a big black box. Now, just the quick details, you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but we do get the Jumpman with the Billie Eilish on either side of the Jumpman. Then on, let me see, which side of the box is this? Right here, you get the Billie. On the back of the box, you get the Eilish. Then you go over to the corner right here of the box, and you get, I'm assuming this is, once again, I don't know much about her. I don't know if this is her album or logo. I know this is her logo somehow, but you got that little shoulder lean situation right there, and then you have your tag. Now let's go ahead and read the official box tag. Right here we have a woman, so this is a women's colorway. It's a size 13, which is high as they went, so an 11.5 in men's. This is a woman's Air Jordan 15 Retro SP, and the colorway is stone and ironstone. Like I said, size 13 in women, so an 11.5 in men's. One more thing on the collab too, just right here when you open the box, you do get some Billie Eilish paper similar to the logo that is on the top of the box. Actually, is there anything on the bottom of the box? No, I don't know why there would be, but that's enough talking about the box, about the packaging, man. This is what you guys came here to see. And here it is, the Air Jordan 15 Billie Eilish. Here it is, the Billie Eilish Air Jordan 15. Now, let's just start by talking about the silhouette. This is a silhouette that we don't really get that many pairs of. Honestly, the last pair that I remember releasing was the Dornbecker pair that I want to say released 2 or 3 years ago in like 2018 or 2019. There was a Dornbecker pair of 15s, but we don't get a lot of these at all, because it's a weird shoe. Like, let's call it what it is. It's a weird shoe. This is actually a sneaker for sneaker people who are interested in sneaker history. Tinker Hatfield, the guy who designed most of the Jordan line, was kind of trying to get his way out of designing Jordans and thought he would try to design this as a flop, as a shoe that would flop that no one would want, to hopefully get him fired from designing. But that's enough about the history there, man. This sneaker is super interesting to me, right? Like I said, I've never owned a 15, and the first thing that stood out to me when I opened it is how light these are. These are super light, which, I mean, makes sense. Jordan 15 is relatively late in the Jordan line. Like, I don't know why I thought like in my head it would be as heavy as like a 3 or a 4 or a 5, because it is a 15, and you know what I'm saying, the 13 is a pretty light shoe, the 14 is pretty light, so it makes sense the 15 is light because it is a performance sneaker first. Now, talking about the collaboration, one thing that actually may make this shoe even a little bit lighter, I believe that these are made with 20% recycled material by weight. I'm not 100% sure if that number is accurate, but that's what I've heard. I think these are made of 20% recycled material by weight. And off the rip, these remind me of, and I know this is going to sound like a reach, but these remind me of the Macklemore Air Jordan 6s that are like super exclusive and super hard to get, just because like it's a musician's collaboration with Jordan brand, but it's completely monochromatic, right? Macklemore did the completely monochromatic pink thing. I think he did a green pair as well. And the colorway on this, let me go back to the box. We get that stone and ironstone, right? So when I'm looking at this sneaker, man, that whole monochromatic look, first of all, this color, this particular color in person is dope, right? It's neutral. You can wear it with anything. You know what I mean? Super easy to wear. Not many parts going around. Don't have to worry about trying to match it too much. But yeah, man, this sneaker is just so interesting, right? I love what Billie Eilish did in taking a sneaker that's not like super hyped at all. Like, she could have took the Jordan 2, which right now I'm really happy she didn't take, because the Air Jordan 2 Off-White is dropping this Friday or maybe last Friday, depending on whenever you're seeing this video. I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but it's dropping, I believe the 12th it is supposed to drop, the Off-White 2. But she didn't take like a Jordan 2, which thankfully she didn't, because Virgil touched it and honestly is going to ruin that shoe, because now everyone's going to want a Jordan 2 when no one's ever wanted Jordan 2s before. I've never wanted Jordan 2s before, and I still don't want Jordan 2s. And after this sneaker, I still don't really want Jordan 15s. I just love this one sneaker, right? This, now, once again, you guys correct me if I'm wrong, this is the first Jordan 15 that I could think of where it's a full leather upper. Now, it is synthetic recycled leather on the upper, but most of the 15s I've seen have been like kind of leather or some type of material at the bottom with like a knit upper. I believe the Dornbeckers was like a full knit upper. But yeah, man, they're just super interesting, man. I just want to take the time real quick and just go over the details of this shoe for you guys. And I'm gonna start here on the toe, because we get like this hard little plastic piece, like kind of ribbed. You can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that hard little ribbed plastic piece right there on the toe, and then it comes up in the small Jumpman that points up, kind of like a Mercedes logo that comes up and sticks up on the car. I think that's really dope, man. Then you got your laces. I forgot what this is called. What do they call it? Like easy lace or whatever. It started with like the Jordan 11 has laces like this, the 13, 14, etc. Really, really, really dope. Once again, nothing to talk about colorway wise. This leather actually feels really nice for a recycled synthetic. Outsole, nothing crazy. No Jumpman on the outsole except for right here on the heel. You guys can see Jordan's birthday, February 17th. Then we get the, am I holding it upside down? Yep. You can see Jordan's birthday right here, February 17th. And then you can see what do we have here on the heel? Let me make sure I get this right. We got the 23, obviously, for Jordan's number. 6 championship rings, and this is the Jordan 15. Super, super dope shoe. Then right here on the top of the tongue, we do get the Billie Eilish logo, which is a nice touch sitting right there. And that's really the only Billie Eilish like branding you get on the exterior of the shoe, I guess I should say, because on the interior we do get that same Billie, I'll say Billie Jumpman Eilish logo that we get on the box and on the paper here. But yeah, man, super dope sneaker. Love them in person. Nothing super crazy, but the colorway on them is just beautiful. Really, really like these. The craziest part that just blows my mind about the shoe is, if you've never held or touched the 15, you would think it's a super heavy, super clunky shoe, but it's not at all. It's super, super light. I do really love the sock and how it is like almost a separate piece from the outside of the shoe. Feels really good on foot. The only reason I can see myself maybe getting another 15 is because these are a little bit tight, because like I said, I got them in a women's 13, which is a men's 11.5, but I am a men's 12. But They did not make these up to women's 13.5. They only went up to women's 13, which I'm fine with, man. I'm so happy. It's weird, right? I really like this sneaker. Like, to me, this is one of my top 10 sneaker pickups of the year. So look forward for that video coming out whenever I can edit that one. But yo, I'm really happy to have these, man. I'm gonna throw an on foot at you guys right now so you can see it.
Also, for those of you who have not ever tried on a pair of 15s, man, after filming this on foot, I gotta say the Jordan 15 might be the most comfortable Jordan sneaker that I put on my foot, even with these being half a size too small.
Alright guys, so you got to see the on foot of these right here, man. And yo, these are just, this is the surprise sneaker of the year for me, right? This is a sneaker that I wasn't expecting to come out. I wasn't super looking forward to coming out, but as I saw more pictures of them, I really started to fall in love with them. A friend of mine actually got them exclusive access, and she sent me a video of them, so I got to see them like kind of in movement in different light, and she was like showing it to me on the video, and I really liked how they looked. And I was like, yeah, I really need these, man. So I was super happy to get them. I'm gonna wear these a bunch. As you guys can see, I've already undressed them, done the video for you guys. But let me know what you guys think of these down below, man. Super dope sneaker, in my opinion. Very excited to have them. Cannot wait to put fits together with them. Big shout out Billie Eilish, man. I only know like 1 or 2 Billie Eilish songs. But I guess I'm gonna have to listen to some more Billie Eilish music now. Yeah, this is a dope sneaker, man. That's all I got for you guys, man. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you're new here, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family, join the channel, man. Let's go ahead and hit that 3K before the end of the year. Also, take the half a second to go ahead, smash that like button. Really helps with the algorithm, helps bring more people to the videos, which helps grow the channel. And then last but not least, take the time to go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. Polls, stories, questions, kicks of the day, all of that stuff, man. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.